In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find saved filter views in Google Sheets. Now, saved filter views are only found in one place, and that's in the data in the menu bar. So if you click on that and select filter views, on the right side, you'll see some filter views that have already been renamed. So if you click on one, you'll be quickly directed to it. So this is our 2014 horror movies. So if you want to go and see the other filter view, go back to data, select filter views, and select the filter view that you want to see. So if we click on that, here we have the 2016 drama movies. And if you want to exit the filter view, again, just go back to data, filter views, and click on none. And that's it. That's how easy it is to find saved filter views in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.